Hi, welcome to Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen and I'm going to bring some festive recipes for Christmas. Anyway, Merry Christmas. Hi, today's recipe is Boxing Day pie. This is a great way to use up your Christmas leftovers. The ingredients are 30 grams of butter, 1 large onion, 300 grams of mushrooms, 300 millilitres of cream, 50 millilitres of chicken stock, 500 grams of cooked meat or leftover veg, 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs or sage, puff pastry. We start by chopping the onion. Then slice the mushrooms. Put some of the butter into a frying pan. And fry the mushrooms until golden brown. Once your mushrooms have browned, transfer to a bowl. Add the rest of the butter. And gently fry the onions for about 4 minutes. Again, until gently brown. Once the onions have cooked, transfer to a larger pan. Add the mushrooms. The cream. The leftover meat or vegetables, add some mixed herbs. Sage and thyme are fantastic for this time of year, always a little bit festive smelling. I've just added boiling water to a stock cube just to add some flavour. Give the pie filling a good mix and let simmer until thickened. It'll probably be about 5 minutes, just until the cream's thickened just that little bit. This is a really good way of using your leftover Christmas ingredients. While the pie filling is simmering, take some flour and your pastry. Shop bought pastry is fantastic for this. Flour your surface first and then flour your rolling pin. And roll to the shape of the bowl you're using. I've got a rectangular bowl. If you're using a round one, don't worry, you can cut off the edges. Once the filling has reduced, put into the bottom of the bowl. Add the pastry on top. Cut a couple of small holes in the top to let steam escape. Brush the top with milk or egg. This just gives it a lovely finish. Once the pie has been assembled, place in a preheated oven at 230 for 10 minutes. Then turn the oven down to 200 and bake for another 20 minutes. So it's 30 minutes altogether. And I do this with roast potatoes.